hear birds. There was a cardinal in the backyard just now. I was like, yeah. Oh, there's a fly. Landed on my arm. And the cardinal was in that tree. Right. Oh, there's a wasp. Wow. I still get the bugs. Yeah. Oh, I hear a dove cry. There's a pine cone. I didn't put it there. And the pine cones, I didn't put them there. They're showing up. Thanks, God. And that's an Austrian pine. It's a little prickly. These were really spirit hit. These two blue spruce. But I hear the birds in there. I think they're probably house sparrows. Anyways. Oh, there's a fly on the dating. I invited Jake Gyllenhaal and Heath Ledger to move back in. Especially if they're horseback riding, to use the showers here on either side. My shower had a leak into the kitchen, and so Marco Prostochmo took it out like a couple years ago, and it hasn't been put back. I take baths instead, and we have almost the end of the squigglies in there. I watered today, and this is a flat top goldenrod in bloom, and then there's our Canada goldenrod in bloom, just starting August 31st, 2025. And we had the chippy today. So things are looking great. Natalie Halverdine, Northern Heights, Natural Heritage, North Hollywood, 27A.